Okay, so here's a demo website. Okay, you can add things about you and your business, you can add images, etc. So your customers click on shop on our website and then they select the products that they want to order. Okay, so let's choose this. I'm going to just click on order. So over here I can change the quantity. Okay, so if I want to order this, I just change the quantity over there. And then I want to add more products. I'm going to click on continue shopping. So let's say I want to add this dress. So I go here, I click on order. And then if you have a discount code, okay, if you created a coupon code, they can just enter that here. Okay. But we've not done that. So we're going to click on place order. So over here, customers just enter their name, their email, their phone number. They select their delivery option. They can enter their delivery address here. They can also add custom notes about their order. So if they want you to know more things about their order, they just input that here. Then they select the payment method, how they want to pay. So let's try the pay online one first. So when they click place order, you see that all they have to do is just select how they want to pay and then payment will be made. So they just select how they want to pay. So yeah, they just select their payment method and then they can just input their number or their bank details and then payments will be made. Very cool. So now let's go back. So one cool thing about Lave is that, okay, we help you collect payments in different currencies. So now if you have an international customer, they just select what currency they are. So let's assume you have a customer who is in Nigeria, they just select Naira and your Lave will do all the conversions for you. They will charge your customer in Naira. Then you can receive payments and convert to your local currency. You understand? So if I select pay online, you see that the customer will be charged in Naira. Okay. So very simple. So as you can see here, the customer can just select how they want to pay with Naira and then payment to be received. Cool. Now let's go back. So now when we go back to our shop, you see that all our pricing has changed from Ghana cedis to Naira because that's the currency we chose. So let's look at that in a minute. So you can see that all our pricing is in Naira. Everything has changed to Naira. So now if I'm in USA, I just select USD and then the price will change in USD. So you can see it has changed in USD and then customers can make payment in US dollar. So now I'm going to select change things back to Ghana cedis, okay, just to show you how the other payment method work. I just select place order. We can also accept cash on delivery orders, okay, so I select my delivery and then I can choose cash on delivery or buy on WhatsApp. So if you choose buy on WhatsApp, okay, it will open WhatsApp with all the order details. So you don't have to go back and forth sending message with customers. You just share them your link. Very simple. They place their order and then you're done. So as you can see, it's going to open WhatsApp. So this is how the order would come on your WhatsApp. Okay, so you see the details of the order, then they can finalize details with you. It's very easy, very simple. So now you don't have to waste time going back and forth with customers. Okay, just create your link, upload your products, and you're good to go. Okay, now so when we come back to our app, okay, when you go to the shop, okay, when I go to my orders, I'll see the order that was just placed. So when I click here, I see the order. So these are the order details. I can see the name, I can see the address. I can just click here to call them. I can click here to open WhatsApp and we'll start chatting. So everything is very, very simple, you see. So that's how it works. So if payment has been made, I would have seen paid, but this on pay. So after I've received payment, I can just complete the order, change the status of the order. Okay, very simple. So if I've received payment, I can just record that. And then once I record payment, to become paid. You understand? So it's very, very easy. So you just create your link, upload your products, and you just share it with customers. It's very, very easy.